Okay, for you guys wondering, where is the cooling fan switch, the auxiliary that they always talk about the 2004 Toyota Solara XLE V6? Well, let me show you the location where you can find it. If you look at the engine, I have most of the stuff taken out. You're gonna notice here that I took out the battery. I took out the where the air filter is. Now you're gonna see the water outlet coming out, and you see right here, this is the little sensor. This usually goes out when the fan stops working, and this is just number 2. If you look at the dealer's manual, it needs to be changed so the fans can start working again. Once again, I didn't find a video on YouTube that can show me that, so I had to do it myself. Now if you want to go and you want to see where the number 1 is, that's by the radiator on the bottom. It's right here, down here. You can follow this cable right here, and this cable is going to take you all the way to the bottom, and that's where it's located. It's kind of tight, so the best place to look at it is from the bottom, where you can take it out. But of course you need to drain the coolant, because if the coolant doesn't drain, then basically it's going to spill in your face. So of course you diagnose the problem by doing the fans. Of course you do it from here. You take this out, or you can also do it individually by each fan, running some current on it. On this one it was run, and it was found that they were working. And then you do the relays. Of course it is on the relay box, and you're gonna see that you have to test this one out, this one out, and this one out, and each one was working also. Why? Well, you throw some current from the battery itself, and then when you hear it click, that's when you're going to see that they're working. So by diagnostic the system, is going to save you a lot of money, not buy a new fan. So there you go. Please subscribe to my channel, and just refer this to your friends to view. Thank you, and have a great day.